Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your overwhelming support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. If you're first time visitor to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram channel for our subscribers where we discuss about trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. I'm leaving the link below. Please use it for joining our Telegram channel. Today we are going to be doing daily technical analysis on British pound US dollar currency pairs. I noticed a trend reversal in this currency pair, so I thought I'll update you on this. I'm in daily time frame in this currency pair. Here we know that it has a strong support here and it has a support over here also. This is going to be a support and it has a resistance over here also. When we look at the past price action of this currency pair, we have a movement like from up it comes, retraces, again comes down, retraces, again goes up, retracement happens, goes up, then retracement happens, again goes up, retracement happens, again goes up. Presently it has taken uptrend from this support line. Again you can see that it is facing resistance at this resistance line. Now it has retraced and took support at this support line over here. I am expecting it to retest this resistance over here and reverse back to test this support line over here. So when we see the past price actions, it has formed a very nice patterns. Double top pattern here, a double top pattern here. Presently it is trying to form a double top pattern here. So every time it makes a trend reversal, there is a double top pattern forming. So presently it started making this double top pattern, and you can, when you see it closely, it was traveling on a channel pattern and the price came out from the channel pattern. Presently it is testing the resistance in the channel pattern. You can notice it is getting rejected. So I am expecting a downtrend to start from here, a trend reversal to start from here and test this support line over here from the past price action. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So when we analyze the price action in hourly time frame, we can notice that the price action is happening within this area. It hasn't gone up or either it hasn't retraced back. When we look at here, it tested the resistance over here, again retracement happened, again it tested the resistance over here, then retracement is happening. Again I am expecting it to test this resistance. It has already tested this resistance, a retracement to happen here until it breaks this support line over here. It is going to be a range bound market. So when the trend reversal happens, we can see the downtrend to start from this point here. So keep an eye on this currency pair. Let us go to the 30 minutes time frame and analyze the trading ranges for today. So as I had explained in hourly time frame, here you can see that very clearly it has come down, the price got rejected, came down and tested on this dynamic support from the daily time frame, again took uptrend and it didn't have enough strength to even to test this resistance over here. Again retracement happened, again this dynamic support has become a resistance for the current price action. Downside movement is getting more lower. Wait for it to break this support line over here. Once it breaks, you can expect the downtrend to start. Presently it is range bound market. Let us mark the ranges. So you can do scalping within these ranges if you want it, but be very careful you don't enter on the wrong direction. So upside resistance is going to be here. Next, presently it has tested this resistance level here. Next resistance level is going to be here. This is going to be the support. Next support is going to be over here and next support is going to be here. And the bottommost support, if it breaks this level, we can expect the downtrend to start. Let us see how price action goes today and based on which you can decide your trade. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please press that like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get instant notification on my future videos.